Hey there, homeowners. Have you ever wondered what really happens when you don't change your pillow and bed sheets regularly? Prepare yourself for some shocking truths. First off, let's talk about pillows. Did you know your pillow can double in weight over a few years? Yikes! That extra weight doesn't come from fluffy clouds, but from dead skin cells, dust mites, and their droppings. Gross, right? These tiny critters thrive in warm, humid environments, and your pillow is their paradise. If you're prone to allergies or asthma, this can be a real nightmare. Now, onto bed sheets. Your bed sheets are like a sponge, absorbing sweat, body oils, and even saliva. Yep, all those bodily fluids create a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. Sleeping in dirty sheets can lead to skin irritation, acne, and even fungal infections. Not exactly the restful night's sleep you were hoping for, huh? Okay, let's get real for a second. When was the last time you washed your bed sheets? A week ago? A month? Longer? Experts recommend washing your sheets at least once a week. Why? Because a clean bed means a healthier you. Regular washing helps remove allergens, bacteria, and dirt, ensuring a better night's sleep and peace of mind. And don't forget about your pillowcases. These need just as much attention. Washing them weekly not only keeps dust mites at bay, but also helps maintain healthier skin. Think of it as a small step towards your overall well-being. But wait, there's more. Changing your pillow every 2 years is crucial too. Over time, pillows lose their support and can cause neck and back pain. Plus, fresh pillows mean fewer dust mites and better sleep quality. It's a win-win. So here's the bottom line. Your bed is where you spend about a third of your life. Doesn't it make sense to keep it clean and inviting? Regularly changing your pillow and bed sheets isn't just about cleanliness, it's about health, comfort, and getting the best sleep possible. Remember, a clean bed is a happy bed. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, strip those sheets, toss them in the wash, and fluff up a fresh pillow. Your body will thank you and you'll sleep like a baby. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home clean and healthy. Sweet dreams!